FAST TURN PCB focuses on the one-stop services of various PCB, small and medium batch, and quick delivery for PCB PCBA production, testing, and assembly.
Our product widely used in medical devices, industry control, communication equipment, computers, automotive electronics, aerospace, and semiconductors. PCB factory good at multi-layer PCB, 4 to 50 layers, HDI, blend and buried board, high-frequency material board, rigid flexi board, certificated by ISO 9001, UL, ROS, and REACH. PCBA factory owns compatibilities on BGA, QFN 0201, 01005, high-quality control equipment like SPI system, 3D LI, first pieces inspection, X-ray, and so on. Our target is to provide reliable quality, quickly delivery, professional service, and a fair price. Welcome your inquiry.